You're going to love this. Trust me, what you're seeing now is my normal state. This is a Super Saiyan. And this...
What's going on, my Super Saiyan collectors, and welcome back to another Dragon Ball Z collection update video. Today we have something super exciting to announce. My stepmom and my dad recently came here tonight and they have dropped off some presents for me. Recently went overseas to Thailand. It was Thailand. They went to Thailand and they brought some figures. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the first one I'll be unboxing is, actually I'll tell you what we actually got. That would be better to tell them actually what we got. So the first thing we got is S Culture Super Saiyan 3 Goku, BWFC Trunks, Future Trunks, and the first line Super Saiyan 3 Goku, Kid Goku from Dragon Ball GT. And we also have the best one here is the Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta, the Ichiban Kuji prize figure. Now, we also have this. This is from the Ichiban Kuji as well. It's like sort of an accessory that they give away when you win a ticket that it's not a statue. So we got that too. So anyway, we're going to get straight into it. So the first one we're going to be unboxing is the S Cultures 6 Super Saiyan 3. The S Cultures 6 Super Saiyan 3 Goku. So we'll get straight into this and unbox this. I've just got to find the box cutter. So remember to cut away from you guys. It can be very dangerous. You don't want to end up with any cuts on you. That. There too. Wow, this feels really heavy for a little figure. I must have, because of the hair, I'd say it's very big. So we got that. Is there any more in there? Yeah, I feel like there is more in there. Yes, kind of a big ass stand. So there's that. We'll just put that there. And we'll head straight into this. I'll cut this open first. So there's the body. We have to cut this without even using the box cutter. It's still rich in there. That was all done. There is the Super Saiyan 3 Goku. After all, it's quite good. This is some sort of rare piece. They don't sell these over here anymore. Obviously, I missed out years ago on the S Culture 6 Super Saiyan 3 Goku. Overall, he looks great. Details great. But yeah, no, I'm super excited about this. He looks really nice. He's going to look really good in the Super Saiyan Goku Ethos shelf bit. So there's that. There's a close-up look on him, guys. As you can see, I'm trying to get as close as I can so you guys can see. So it's very good. I like it. I like it a lot. So there's that one. So we'll just put that guy there. WFC by Ben Presto Trunks. So let's get straight into this, guys. Cut him open. They always come with really big stands. I feel like they get the stands and they get with the riser company and it's like, hey, let's do big stands so you all have to buy risers. Congratulations, let's spend $16 on free plastic things. Easier than doing it last time. Oh, he looks really good, doesn't he? He looks really nice. There's a close-up look on him. He looks really nice. I always love this Future Trunks. I feel like Super made him a little bit dumb looking. Let's get his sword out. What is his sword? And of course. So there's the Future Trunks, guys, from BWFC by Ben Presto. He looks awesome, phenomenal. The detail in this is great, fantastic. Ben Presto did an amazing job on the statues. But yeah, super excited to have this guy. I actually put off on getting this guy because I've seen him a couple of times at my local anime shop that I go to. Put him off because I knew that my father would have got him overseas, so that would be stupid if I went and bought, then I would have had two. So there's that guy. So there's a close-up look on him. He looks great. Absolutely great. Can't get enough of Trunks. Favorite is Vegeta, but Trunks is probably second. So he looks fantastic. Very, very good. I had a rotation table. I might actually get one in the future, so I can put him on and give you more of a review on that guy. So there's him. So we'll put him right there. Statue, Super Saiyan 3 Goku, Kid Goku from Dragon Ball GT. So let's get straight into it. This one feels heavy for a little statue. Crazy. I feel like getting them out and dropping them all the time. Look at the size of the stand. These fest statues, they come with massive stands all the time. And seriously guys, like, if anyone in Band Presto can hear me out there, or anything, can you please stop making so much big friggin' stands? Like, look at that. How am I supposed to fit that in the DTOF? Anyway, get this guy undone. See if I can get him undone. So there is the Super Saiyan 3 Kid Goku from Dragon Ball GT. I'm actually very surprised on how big his hair is in this. Like all the Super Saiyan 3 statues, they've always got massive long hair, and I like that a lot. A lot of people out there might argue with me in saying that Super Saiyan 3 was a pointless transformation, but to be honest, it might have been pointless, but he looks freaking fantastic. He looks awesome, he looks badass. So there's a close-up look on that guy, guys. He looks phenomenal, he looks amazing. I'm super excited about him. He's gonna look good in the shelf as well. I'm just gonna figure out, try and make a GT shelf for these guys. So I'm trying to set up like sort of saga by saga. So he looks awesome, he looks pretty badass. So there's that one, guys. So I'll put him right there. Now, the final piece that you've all been waiting for, and I'm super excited about this, I can't wait to unbox this, is the Ichiban Kuji Super Saiyan Blue Go Gita prize figure for the Kujis. Super excited about this, can't wait to undo this, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. So, let's get into this baby. Actually cool story. My stepmom had a go at the prize statue, obviously as you can see, and had one go, first try, and she pulled out the lottery ticket. So unbelievably very, very lucky on this. So much sticky. In there. So there he is, guys, the Super Saiyan Blue OG to Ichiban Kuji. He looks awesome, amazing detail on this fella, and I can't believe that she won it. It is absolutely awesome, guys. Phenomenal. So I'm super excited about this, guys. Detail on it is awesome. He looks really, really cool. The face is accurate. It looks really nice. So there's a close-up look on that, guys. As you can see, I'm excited about that. He looks amazing. So yeah, I'm super, super, super excited to have him in my collection. He's gonna look really nice in the detail. It's awesome. So there's that, guys. The last thing on the list, Ichiban Kuji accessory. My dad won. He didn't win a statue, but he won this. Still, it's still awesome. You get two pictures. It's like a. I'll undo it and I'll show you guys. I think they're like folder holders. So folder holders, something like that. They're like paper holders or something. But there they are, guys. The two images right there. I'm probably just gonna stick these on my details at the back, sort of for like a background sort of picture. So yeah, they look pretty cool. They look awesome. So super excited about them. So there's them two, guys. That's all I got for today, guys. Just a statue. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing to my channel will help the channel out a lot. But yeah, guys, so keep on keeping on, and I'll catch all you guys next time in the next episode. So, peace.